Okay, friends, we are at Desert Palms Hotel and Suites, and this is their kids' suite. And I think you're going to love this one if you're a large family. It sleeps up to six. You walk in, here's a king bed. Here is TV, safe, dresser, desk, all the normal hotel stuff. Here is the bathroom, and it does have a shower tub combo. We have this. Okay, pretty normal bathroom. We have a microwave, a mini fridge, but here's the best part. We have double sized, so not twin size, double size bunk beds. And look at those bunk beds. They have a light switch right up there for them. What do we got? One down there for these guys so they can have their light on. But this is perfect for families of 4 to 6 because it can sleep. And yes, there is a door so you can close it and ignore your children all you want. And what I really like about this one is some others that have kids suites. This is in the kids' room so they can, get midnight snacks even if you don't want them to. Or so I like that it's out here. You can book this through my partners at Getaway Today, and I'll have that link down in the description. All right, we're at the Desert Palm Hotel and Suite still, and this is their deluxe studio suite. And let's start here because it's at the front. Here's the bathroom, nice bathroom. I've heard mixed things about this, but right now I'm thinking this is a hotel. Oops, sorry. I'm thinking this is a hotel that I would maybe even check out. And you have your mini fridge, is pretty good size. It does have a freezer shelf. Not sure how good that works. Microwave. You have, I believe these are 2 queen beds. They definitely look like queens. And then you have a sunken living room, and this is a pull-out sofa. And there's like a little dining spot. I like that about this. And it does have curtains that you can draw back like this if you need a little privacy, like if you want to watch TV after the kiddos are asleep. The one thing I did ask them about is because this is a sunken room, if they had baby gates that they would allow people to use for someone that might have a crawling toddler. They do not have those. I mean, you could probably bring one and use it, but they don't have them. And also, I don't know if I don't think a toddler's head could fit through here, but you never know. So those are a couple things to be aware of. It's a great hotel, though, for those looking for a budget place for large families. They do have a pool. I'm not going to just film the pool, though, because there are people in it. And I do like to honor their privacy because it's kind of creepy to film people while they're at the pool trying to relax, especially if there's kids there. But anyways, let me show you a little bit of the lobby, too. They have this kids area, which is amazing. When you come to check in, you can let your kids read and play and little tables for them and everything. So that's great. All right, if you're one of those crazy people that needs to work out while you're on vacation at Disneyland, because it's not a workout enough for you, we do have a gym here. And this is actually it's small, but it's nice. It's very clean, has good equipment. There's a TV, hand weights, and you can even weigh yourself if you want to torture yourself to see if you're gaining anything from those Disney treats. Okay. This is the silliest thing to point out about a hotel, but these are my favorite type of luggage carts. And while they may not hold the same amount, they are so much easier to steer. I love this type of luggage cart. I wish all hotels offered them if they don't have bell services. And of course, what is a hotel without a gift shop and marketplace? This one has a lot of great variety in drinks, which I'm pretty darn excited about. One of my favorite things here is that they carry protein drinks. As many of you know, I am on a fitness and health journey. And one of my things I'm trying to do is to keep up my protein intake. So the other hotels I've been at have not had that. I love it. Hotels, always carry some type of protein drink, please. Please, please, and preferably both vanilla and chocolate so people can choose. So one thing about this is it is grab, scan, and go. So you don't have to go to the front desk. You just come in here, pick out your items, scan at this kiosk, and pay. Oh, this is cool too, guys. They have rentable battery packs. That's pretty nifty. I like that. You can rent it for $5 a day. and it looks like it's a pretty good one. All right, here's another great thing to know is that they have coffee available all day for hotel guests, also water with fruit in it. And they have creamers out here for you guys too if you're a coffee drinker. I personally am not. Here is their business center. And then out here, they have a little seating area where you can sit outside. And then this is for the Oasis, is what I guess what it's called. And that is food, quick service. I was able to check on the Oasis for you, and their hours are from noon till 10. So that's where you can grab your lunch items and all of that good stuff. It's a kiosk ordering system, kind of like you have at some fast food restaurants. It looks like it has an amazing menu. I do not have time to try the food there today, but definitely if you've been here and you've eaten there, let me know. Is the food good? Is it not good? I'm hoping it's good. Okay, as I'm walking out of this hotel, a couple more things. They have free breakfast. The free breakfast it's up on the 5th floor, but it is available to all guests from 6:30 to 10 a.m. And then a getaway today exclusive perk is that you do get half price off your parking when you book their getaway today. And as always, that link is down below in the description. This is a walking distance hotel. It is on Catella, like kind of right behind where Guardians of the Galaxy area is. So it is walking distance. And I also believe you can hop on the art. I'll have to double check that. So if you really want to know, leave a comment and I'll go check on that for you.